Hello tubers, I'm underneath a 2013 Mustang that's got these, I guess they're anti-sway bar links. What happens is these rubbers right here get real hard and they shrink, and then you get this knocking noise when this is going up and down. So what I'm doing is taking some screws. They're a little bit too long. I would probably I guess they're probably 1 3/4 inches, something like that. I would go with 1 inch and maybe come in and put, I'm going to put 4 in. I got 1, 2, and I'm going to put another one up here, right dead center through the rubber, right dead center through the rubber. And what that's going to do is that's going to stretch that rubber, it's going to push it out and make it tight. I already did this side. Yeah, let me get a light here so you can see. Sorry about moving around. I don't try not to do that, but see that side over there? I already got 4 in that, and she's tight. I also sprayed it with some lithium grease, okay, because it was making a sound when it was going up and down. So I don't know if I can get one of these in to show you how I did it. You can use a screwdriver or power drill. I have this nice little Craftsman impact gun, 47 foot-pounds comes out to be. Let me see if I can do this holding the camera too. Right through the center, pretty easy. Okay, hope that wasn't horribly loud, but anyway, that sucker's tight. It ain't going nowheres. I guess you could change them if you had to. Take it off at the top, and then you got to take it off over here too. And then you got to take this and slide it right around, out the bar, down the bar. After the bar is off, undone there, slide it off the end, and then slide in a new one up in place. But you know what? If he gets another year or 2 out of this, I think he'll be happy. Because I don't think it's a great big job, but it's probably a pain in the ass sliding that thing over the bar. You have to lube up the whole bar to slide it back and forth because it's got curves in it and all kinds of crap. What a messed up design, if you ask me. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do to quiet it up. Get rid of that every time you go over a little tiny bump, and the knocking noise was crazy. So that's my solution. What do you think? Have a good one.